Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can claim the code for the new winter update. So it's only up for 3 hours, so claim them right now as I upload this video. Select this icon for codes and then type in winter update. Let me just do this. Press redeem and ta-da! We got the dress, everybody. That is it. Make sure you claim it right now. You only have 3 hours. But I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.